I'm going to show you how to make G2 chicken congee. The plain version, which you will also see in this video, is one of the most consumed breakfasts in China. We are very attached to it. I use half cup of jasmine rice. It is the usual rice for this dish. It has a light scent of jasmine flower. I also add half cup of jaggery rice to bring a thick texture. Wash them 3 times. Then let them soak for 30 minutes. This soaking allows to obtain a well-cooked jaggery rice porridge. Meanwhile, marinate the chicken breast. Cut it into thin slices. Put them in a bowl. Then add half teaspoon of salt, some ground pepper, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, and 1 egg white. Combine. The starch and egg whites will make the chicken pieces very tender. Remove the skin from the ginger by scraping it. Cut a small slice to stabilize the cut. Cut it to get 1 tablespoon of very thin filaments. Slice 1 shallot. Also cut 1.5 ounces of cilantro. Cut some salad leaves into chunks. After 30 minutes, drain the rice. Put it in a saucepan. Add the 10 cups of water. Bring to a boil covered. Just before boiling, skim. Stir to prevent the rice grain to sticking to the bottom of the pan. Place the lid on 2 chopsticks. This avoids excessive evaporation and also overflowing. Let cook over low heat for 1 hour. After 1 hour, briefly stir. At this point, the plain version of the congee is ready and you can enjoy it. For my chicken version, add 1 teaspoon of salt. Briefly mix. Mix the marinated chicken pieces to separate them. Put them in the congee while mixing. Let cook for 5 minutes over medium heat. After 5 minutes, the chicken pieces are well cooked. Cut the fire. Add the shallot, the ginger. Briefly mix. Season with 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Briefly mix. Put a little salad at the bottom of each guest bowl. Then chicken congee. You can add a little more ginger for those who like. Add the cilantro, some ground pepper, and a little chili oil if you like. Bon appétit! Slow cooking produces a congee with a delicate flavors and a thick texture. The chicken pieces are tender and tasty. It's also nice to find the crunchiness of the salad. For the plain version, we like to enjoy it with small salty condiments. Here, some roasted peanuts dipped in light soy sauce, some pickles, and pork floss. The version with just a little salt is also very popular. This dish is easy to digest. We often think about it after very hearty festive meals. It is a favorite breakfast of many Chinese people. We also prepare it for the sick to nourish them well and comfort them. Thank you. See you at the next homemade dish on Morgan Recipes.